In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on TikTok business account. We'll walk through the exact flow on desktop, sign in securely, open the live area, and get the software you need so your broadcast runs smoothly. Before we begin, make sure you're using a TikTok business account and that live is available to you. Eligibility and features can vary by region and account status, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, it may be due to those requirements. Start by opening your browser and heading to TikTok.com. On the upper right, you'll see the login button. Click that to open TikTok's sign-in options. For this walkthrough, I'm using the Continue with Google option, which is a quick and secure way to sign in without typing a password on TikTok's site. If you prefer another method, use what you're comfortable with, but I'll proceed with Google so you can follow along. When the Google window appears, select the Google account you want to connect to TikTok. If prompted, review the permissions and click All. Continue to confirm. This links your Google identity to your TikTok session and returns you to the TikTok website. Diocidos signed in and ready to go. Once you're back on TikTok, look to the left side of the screen for the live section. Click Live to open TikTok's live streaming hub. This is where you'll access your live tools, review guidelines, and prepare your stream. On that page, click Go Live. Depending on your setup and TikTok's latest interface, you may be guided to install the software that powers your stream from a computer. If you're on Windows, click Download for Windows to get TikTok Studio. TikTok Studio is the official desktop tool that helps you manage your camera, microphone, scenes, screen sharing, and stream quality. After downloading, install it like any other app, then open it to sign in with the same TikTok account. From there, you can configure your audio and video sources, set your stream title, choose a cover image, and test your connection before you go live. If you're on another operating system, look on the same page for the appropriate download option. A few quick tips before you broadcast. Use a stable, high-speed internet connection to avoid buffering. Test your mic and camera inside TikTok Studio and check your lighting. Prepare a clear stream title and a brief description that tells viewers what to expect, and keep your content within TikTok's community, guidelines, and your brand voice. That's it. Follow these steps, set up TikTok Studio, and you'll be ready to go live on your TikTok business account with confidence.